Hello and welcome to the news. Despite a clear order from the High Court, Udaipur city echoed with loud DJ music during the Ganesh Puja immersion on Saturday night. The festive procession turned into chaos as restrictions were ignored, traffic came to a standstill and police remained passive. Let's take a closer look at the full report. Defying the High Court's directive, Udaipur city witnessed loud DJ music during the Ganesh Puja immersion procession on Saturday night. The event, accompanied by DJ sound music system, transformed the streets into a dance floor. The situation escalated when the main road was blocked for hours, leading to severe traffic congestion. Even a fire service vehicle was caught in the jam, highlighting the scale of disruption. Shockingly, despite the clear violation of the court's order, the Jagannath Radha Kishorpur police remained silent spectators. Their inaction has sparked widespread criticism and raised serious questions about law enforcement during such public events. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.